The only thing I ever see you put down is water or green tea. Oh! Thrown up and it's good from Ottawa! Yeah!
Lillard, long-range three, and it's good! At the buzzer! Damian Lillard! Are you kidding me?
Fouls. It'll be Steven Adams.
They give him Steven Adams some...
And
wow!
The one-hander from half court.
Wow!
The floor, you can attack the paint. Rozier with an errant pass. Shot clock down to 2. Graham, a desperation 3. Put it in.
That looked good the entire way.
Yes.
That is a heck of a way to make
Left hand. Curry, three-quarter court. Good off the glass. Beats the buzzer with a banked-in 3 for his first.
Steps into the deep 3, and why not? Wow.
He had about outduels LeBron for that board. And how about James? Oh, long-range missile for LeBron James.
6 of 9.
Oh my
Look
goodness!
at this shot by Lillard.
Goodness!
Oh,
That was from the NBA logo.
oh my goodness.
Is somewhat difficult. Russell weaving his way up, puts up the 3. Oh, and he banked it in to tie things at 8.
A minute and a half to play. That's a bomb!
Oh my gosh!
Ridiculous! Damian Lillard!
The switch. Trey.
Oh, my goodness. 36-footer.
Bounces to Monk. Monk trying to turn. Now has to unleash one and hit it.
Oh my goodness!
Deep 3. That was about 10 feet behind the three-point line. Wow.
11 in the quarter. Wow. James from about 28 feet.
I think the Zion dunk.
Oh, come on.
final seconds. And Durant hits from near midcourt.
Ball's not moving for them. They've almost degraded into it.
To 34 threes.
Okay. Oh, D'Angelo Russell! Sheetshead Bay! Goodness gracious.
Kyrie, a bomb! Oh! Straight fire! Monk fires! Trying to get it back to Trey. He'll launch from the logo. Connects! Trey Young does it again! And this is a two-point ball game.
And Chris Paul hits a 3.
Doncic looking for that dagger. He found it!
In a row for the Dragon.
That counts! A triple on the run for Westbrook to end.
Couldn't finish. Redick, does he have one more in him?